a few years ago, I was in search for a beard trimmer, cheap, something cheap, and I did find out this. They were claiming that it is a Xiaomi underbrand, and that did proven to be true, at least if we can believe the internet regarding that. It was around the 12 euros. It was super cheap, and I didn't have any expectations regarding that. But the story about this hair trimmer is quite amazing. I did make the purchase, and it proven quite amazing. It was capable to shave the beard like super close. It was like you were shaved with razor like one day ago when you shave with this. So it was really amazing. My dad and I really loved it. And at some point, I did give it to my mother, which is a professional hairdresser, and she adored it for those fine-tuning or hairstyling things. And a few days ago, she was like, "Hey, that hair trimmer, it just got broken. Some parts fell apart," and she did bring it to me. So let's disassemble it and see what is going on. It works, but we have some parts missing, but I still think that it won't be a problem. I wanted to record this and show you that cheap things can be quite good. Okay, it is full of hair, so let's completely disassemble it and do a quick cleanup. It was never opened until now. As I suspected, full of hair, quite disgusting. Let's clean this and after I removed all this hair, I see that there are two more screws which weren't really visible from beginning. So let's remove them. Clearly visible what needs to be done for this assembly. Here it is. So we now see there is quite a capable motor, which I can confirm that it is capable from my user experience from all this time. And we can see that the battery is 1500 milliampere hours, 16650, and it is quite deep into the device. If I wanted to remove it, I would need to unscrew these two screws and resolder it, which is quite normal. So let's clean this up and assemble everything. Everything is cleaned. Device is working. Let's assemble everything. Voila, done. It works. Okay, I'm gonna show you now what I'm speaking. It literally shakes. I mean, 10 or 15 euros around 5 years ago. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box if I manage to find the same model. Amazing device, still works, battery still holds up, it is quite easy repairable. my recommendation.